Hi, I'm Jessica Schrader, an artist, illustrator, and surface designer. I'm also secretly an engineer. Okay, it's not secret, I just told you. Today I'm sharing how I use an engineering tool called a morphological chart when I'm feeling artistically stuck. It's a simple tool and there's no math required whatsoever, I promise. I will be designing a unique bug to show how I use a morphological chart to come up with drawing ideas. Each row is for a part of the bug with different options for that part listed. I'm going with random luck today to create my bug design. For each row, I'm dealing a card to pick which idea to use. You don't have to use random luck. You can also go through each row and pick the option that appeals to you. However, if you want to stretch yourself, I would recommend picking options randomly because it forces you to make combinations you probably wouldn't have considered. If you want to learn how to make a chart like this, there's a link in the description for a free guide. So now that I've picked an option for each part of my bug, it's time to put all of the parts together and see what it looks like. While the chart defines the different parts, it's still up to the artist to interpret those parts and how to put them together as a whole. As I'm sketching out my bug, I'm thinking about how the different parts go together and making decisions that will make this bug unique. If I gave someone else these exact same options, their final bug would still look different than mine does. I can repeat this exact same process and get as many different types of bugs as I wanted. There are over 600,000 combinations on this chart alone, so I'm pretty sure I will get sick of drawing bugs long before I run out of options. Thanks for watching. I hope this video inspired you to make your own morphological chart. You can use one to create all sorts of things, not just bugs. If you want to make your own chart, there's a link in the description for a free guide on how to make one.